Sugar is everywhere. It's in our sodas, our breads, and even in foods we wouldn't expect. Even foods we think are healthy, like yogurt, often contain surprising amounts of sugar. We consume massive amounts without realizing it. From our morning coffee to our evening snacks, sugar sneaks into our diet. This constant sugar intake affects our bodies in many ways, often unnoticed. It can lead to weight gain, mood swings, and even chronic diseases. It's time to understand the impact of this sweet substance. Reading nutritional labels can be an eye-opener. Our bodies weren't designed for this much sugar. Ancient humans consumed natural sugars found in fruits and vegetables. We evolved to eat natural sugars found in fruits and vegetables. These natural sources come with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These come packaged with fiber, which slows down sugar absorption. But added sugars, they lack these benefits. They hit our system fast, leading to energy spikes and crashes. This can leave us feeling tired and craving more sugar, creating a vicious cycle. Quitting sugar cold turkey can feel intense. It's like embarking on a rollercoaster ride with unexpected twists and turns. The initial days can be particularly challenging. You might experience mood swings, headaches, and intense cravings. These symptoms are your body's way of protesting the sudden change. Your body, used to a constant sugar supply, goes through withdrawal. This can make you feel tired and irritable, as if you're missing an old friend. Think of it like quitting any other habit. There will be discomfort. Just like breaking free from nicotine or caffeine, your body needs time to adjust. But don't worry, this is temporary. The discomfort will pass, and you'll start to notice positive changes. Many people report feeling much better after the initial hump. Energy levels stabilize, and mental clarity improves. You might find yourself more productive and focused, and they experience fewer cravings. Healthy foods start to look more appealing, and your taste buds begin to appreciate natural flavors. This is your body adapting, starting to function without its sugary crutch. Embrace the journey, and soon you'll feel the benefits of a sugar-free lifestyle. As you power through the first week, you'll notice changes. These changes might be subtle at first, but they are significant. You might feel a bit more energetic, and your mood could improve. Your clothes might fit better, and you may find that your favorite jeans are no longer too tight. This is a sign that your body is responding positively to the changes you're making. Your skin might clear up, becoming more radiant and less prone to breakouts. This is because your body is no longer dealing with the inflammatory effects of sugar. This isn't magic, it's your body thanking you. The relief you feel is your body adjusting to a healthier lifestyle. Without the constant sugar overload, your body starts to heal. You'll find that you have more energy to do the things you love, and your overall well-being improves. Weight loss is a common benefit, but it's not just about the number on the scale. It's about feeling better in your own skin and having the energy to live your life to the fullest. Lowering your risk of serious diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease is the real prize. These are long-term benefits that can significantly improve your quality of life. Remember, quitting sugar isn't a diet, it's an investment in your long-term health. It's about making choices that benefit you now and in the future, ensuring a healthier, happier you. Section 4. Riding out the cravings. Cravings will come, that's part of the process. But you can fight back. Drink plenty of water, eat protein-rich foods, and don't be afraid to reach for healthy snacks like fruits in moderation. Distract yourself with activities you enjoy. Remember, these cravings are temporary. Each time you resist, you're strengthening your resolve. You're proving to yourself that you're in control, not your cravings. And that's a powerful feeling. Section 5. The long game. Health beyond 30 days. 30 days without sugar is a fantastic accomplishment. But the real victory? The positive changes you've made to your relationship with food. You're more aware of what you're putting into your body. You're making conscious choices for your health. This isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. You've experienced the benefits firsthand. You've proven that a sugar-free life isn't just possible, it's enjoyable. Section 6. Ready to take the challenge? Quitting sugar for 30 days can feel daunting, but you're tougher than you think. Take it one day at a time. Focus on the positive changes you're making. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. Millions have taken the challenge, and so can you. Your health is worth it.